Landing is down in green, flaps 25 checked, speed brakes armed, this approach out 4,000 is set, you clear land. And the flight director is back here.
What was that?
Flight director is, we got to land 2.
That's fun, no land 3. Why?
Yeah, we're not doing normal.
We lost the middle autopilot.
Oh.
1,000.
1,000.
Stable. Alright, we're going to come off motion here.
So look at your N1 setting is 52. It's going to go up a little bit.
County 5381 Heavy, Bravo 5, southbound Bravo, ground point 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bravo 5,
So
right on, or southbound
you shouldn't
Bravo,
have to do very much change from that at all. You're disconnected.
Okay. Flight director.
Yeah.
Once I did that, it popped up. Did you see that? Yes. That's unusual.
Tower, good morning, UPS 301 Heavy is ILS 35 right. Fish 301 Heavy, Little Tower 35 right, clear line 13208. UPS 301 Heavy, clear to land 35 right.
500.
500.
Stable.
Runway in sight.
Okay, I feel like we're right of course. I'm going to adjust just a little bit.
Approaching minimums.
We're like high,
59
right?
43 Heavy, southbound Delta, ground point 7.
Minimums.
Southbound Delta, ground point
What?
7, UPS
You're right on
59
the place,
43
so
Heavy.
2 rights to that.
Okay, I'm fixing.
100.
Should probably done flap start, that's all.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brakes up.
I'm going to go full reverse.
I don't.
No? Okay.
We're light.
That's right.
Yeah, just bring it. Fuck the worst, go for the worst.
Local Tower, good morning, back 5790
high speed up here.
ILS
What's that?
35 right.
I have the controls.
You have the controls.
35 right, clear line
brakes.
13207.
And manual
Clear line
brakes.
35 right, head back.
Reverser Scott's though. There you go.
I brought the 6. Parking ramp 11.
County 2557, Bravo 6, or parking ramp 11.
County 2557 Heavy, southbound Bravo, ground point 7.
Point 7, Southern Bravo. County 2557.
Nice landing, dude.
Thank you. I've been working on